You ready, Kane?
See if he'll do it.
Look at his tail going.
Kane, what is it? Come look.
Kane, come here. Come here. Come here.
He's afraid of a keychain.
Come here.
Get it, Kane. Riley, no. Riley, such a pig. Dude, it's just a keychain.
His eyes.
School takes a lot. Target has it all.
Come here. Come here, Kane. Come here. Come on. Oh, you're dancing. Come on.
What is it, Kane?
Ready? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come get it.
Kane,
Oh,
go
good
get it.
girl, Riley. Come on. Come on.
Alright, I think he's used to it now. That was funny for a
Come get
while.
it. You don't want anything to do with it?
I think he's done playing. That was funny though. Get it, Kane. Really? Riley! That's not how it works! Get off him! Get off! Get off! Such a little pig! Kane, what did you do to you?
What do you think? It's a bug? Come on. Come on. Oh,
He's like,
done.
Mama! Help me, Mommy! Go get it, Kane! Alright, I think he's done. Look at, he just wants to...
Oh,
just
you are so funny.
See if he...
Me and Tyler really want Carly at her graduation, but I think having Carly around
Ready, Kane?
Mom and Butch.
Go get it, Kane!
See if I can get it right to him. Come get it. Come get it.
Go get it, buddy!
Come on.
Dude.
He's all done.
I know, that was funny. Kane, you're funny.
Hilarious. You're going to put on like YouTube or
You're
something.
funny! Is it gonna sit on me again?
And Riley humping him in the middle of it was definitely an additive little.
Why are you such a little piggy
People
dog?
are going to think that is hilarious.
Why are you such a piggy dog? Pig? Kane, what's up?
Kane, you're so cute.
Such a leaner. You can't see over my sweatshirt. You're such a leaner. Woo! Woo!
And I just need to get
Woo!
out. So my cousin
Woo!
is coming to pick me up and go for a drive.
Look at his little face when he puts his lips up.
Front. Hi. Like I've been thinking about her all day. It's kind of hard on me.
Dude, what's up?
You never know. One night she might just stop bringing her. I've never really.
Let's see. How funny is this? Oh my god. My mouth and my cheeks are lovely.
I'm crying. I have like tears.
I feel so bad. I'm like torturing you. You're never gonna like me.
Look at, but he's not like he's not having fun.
Come here. You're such a good boy. Come here.
I'm tired.
I'm gonna put him away.
Is it past your bedtime?
Look at, I'm putting him away. Come here. Come on. Come here.
Go see Brock.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh.